49th and Market has released some interesting new products, and they're calling them the mini collection. So it has fewer papers in it, but it's got everything else. So this is the Coral mini collection. There's also Natural, Sky, and Sage. So let me show you this. The papers are 12 by 12. You get kind of a preview on the front. These are the laser cuts. They are gorgeous, as they usually are. On the back of the cover, there is a paper, and there's also a border that you can cut off. That's true of all 49th and Market products. And you can see the coral look. Very light colors, just really, really pretty all over leaves and kind of scuffing. Again, a border. Isn't that pretty? Just absolutely love it. If you are a scrapbooker, you know that you'll probably put your photograph in this area, maybe embellish it with some of 49th and Market's flowers. I think that the ballet slipper is the color that matches this. You might want to check that out. And but if you're a card maker, you know that you can get 4 cards out of every single sheet of 12 by 12. There is the back of that sheet. Again, you've got a border. Isn't that pretty? Wow, just gorgeous. And there's the back of it, very lightly scuffed, kind of coral-looking ink spots around that. Live for the moment, remember the happy. There we have another. We've got some kind of ghosted flowers over there, scuffing. And very pretty, and another border. Now we're into the laser cuts, and they are phenomenal. Look at that. Let me scoot that one over. You can see the black around it. Thank you, Steve. We're getting in close so you can see. They are just stunning, as you would expect. Now, being laser cut, they're just going to pop right out, and even those intricately cut. And what I love is that they go right along the edge of the artwork. Just gorgeous. Lots of pieces there and more here. There we go. So beautiful things. All of these little stones, little beads, they're all going to pop out separately. You've got a lace border, and again, another lace border, coral and kind of off-white. Really, really pretty. And that's what the whole collection is. Now, speaking of the collection, they have other things to go with it. And there is a different kind of washi tape. The washi tape comes like this. It comes with 2 pieces. And on each piece, there are 7 strips of washi. This is 7 inches long. And you can see that they're really translucent. So just really lovely. And so you're going to get 7 patterns. You're going to get 2 of each one, and they're going to work just really nicely. So for the value, you're getting a whole lot of art right here, and that's going to work perfectly with this. Now, there's something else that 49th and Market has come out with. They did these last year, and I'm happy to see more of them back. I think it's really striking to let you see it on black. And they are plastic, which doesn't sound wonderful, but they are quite wonderful. And they are self-adhesive, so they're on there with some foam tabs. And many of them are layered, as this one is. And they are just stunning, beautiful artwork. And there are, in this set, a total of 36 layered pieces, as I just showed you. 53 of these glitter epoxy bubbles. So I'm hoping you can see that. And, oh, thank you, Steve. Yeah, there you go. Just really fun. They've got a dome on them, and they are just really a great embellishment. You also have, there's some hiking boots, well used, the word happiness, as well as flowers, cameras, leaves. This is called Wander. And another hint for you, the inside of the package is going to make a great surface for your creativity. So that's going to work nicely. We even have a heart-shaped sign if you want to add something to it. There is the road less traveled. So just beautiful. The reason why I'm showing you this right now is because I think it works really nicely with the coral collection. So the colors, I think, just blend beautifully. So you can make your own decision, but I highly recommend you take a look at this. Something very different, and as all of these products are, they only come from 49th and Market, and we are delighted to have them here at paperwishes.com.